Also this evening, we're getting a better look at the aftermath from a massive fire at one of Ashtabula County's biggest dairy farms. Dozens of firefighters were on the scene for hours last night at Comp Dairy Farm, which houses about 2,000 dairy cows.
The dairy farm is an hour east of Cleveland in Dorset Township. Our Kaitor K is joining us live from there. He's been there all day. Kaitor, I think a lot of people are wondering, when you're talking about 2,000 cows, what is the status of those animals tonight?
Yeah, we have now been learning that unfortunately a small number of cows did die in this fire that began around 7 o'clock last night, and that also it took over 70 firefighters to battle these flames. A raging fire consuming the Comp Dairy Farm in Ashtabula County, urgency heating up because of the 2,000 cows on the property. Here's Jerry Comp, whose family has owned the farm since the 1800s.
We're pretty sure we had like an electrical fire, and where our water comes in at, a pump might have shorted or something. I seen the fire when it was small and it just took off. Wasn't a lot I could do but get the cows out.
Comp says the fire heavily damaged a milking parlor, leaving hundreds of cows with no place to be milked. So all of last night and deep into this morning, neighboring farmers came to pick up cows and take them to where they could be cared for.
It's a catastrophe. I've been in the cattle business my whole life, and it's tough. It's really tough. Steady, hard work, and then you throw something like this into it, it's impossible.
Ohio State Representative Sarah Fowler Arthur of Ashtabula, proud of the community's response.
We're grateful for all the local farmers that worked through the night, many of them after working all day yesterday, taking somewhere between 5 and 20 cows. The response from the community has just really been very touching to see.
Jerry Comp tells us he has no estimate of the cost of damage or a timeline of when the repairs will be done. The state fire marshal continues to investigate. Christy.
Kaitor K, we appreciate the update. Thank you.